Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app or iDoFish Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me from my YouTube channel right here, asking me to buy a particular product on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. You can see the message right here. Procurement, no shipping needed. This is a virtual items, okay? I'm interested in a buy agent for virtual item or potential a sourcing agent on multiple sites. And then if you are the type that also need this particular type of service, these are terms of my service right here. I can buy your product on Pinduoduo, 1688, Taobao, Shenyun, Alibaba or AliExpress or JD.com as far as the procurement and shipping is concerned. You can read the details about my term of service right here. Okay, and this is the product link right here. And we're going to go ahead and go straight to click on the product link and see how we can place order for this particular product right here. So with that being said, let's get started. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and click on the product link right here. So having click on the product link is going to reload and take me to the web page right here. Okay. Now, if you have something like this, never mind. Just go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up. And the next thing we want to do here is, this is the product right here. We want to make sure that we get this product code in order to load the product on Xianyu app. So for that, I'm going to zoom out. So right here, I need this product code right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here. This will enable me to get the product code, just like so. Now, this is the product code right here. Okay, this is the product code right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot this particular code, just like so. And I'm going to exit from my browser and I have to go ahead and open up my Xianyu app right here. Open up my Xianyu app. I've opened up my Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here, scan the product code. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to upload the product code. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select the product code and click on open. And in a few seconds, it's going to generate and find the exact products that we want to buy on Xianyu, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and proceed to purchase of this particular virtual products right here on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, iDoFish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about importation business like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then here we go. For me to place order for this product, I want to make sure I click on here. Then what we need here is this 10 yuan right here. We need just one quantity. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. So I'm paying the sum of 10 yuan for this virtual product. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then go ahead and click on here to complete the payment. Then enter payment password to complete the payment. Payment done successfully. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Then have to go back, store, click on here to close this pump up. Now you can see that we just pay for this particular virtual product right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to buy this particular product on their behalf right here. So for that, I'm going to exit from my Xianyu right here, and I'll go ahead and open up back to my WhatsApp. I'll click on the attach, my gallery, then proof of payment right here, and say payment done. Just like so. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.